Are you cleaning your car, Malia?
Yes. And his bottom is back. Here you go, God. Not yet. No, not yet. I'm still cleaning you. I'm still cleaning car.
Did you get all of it?
No,
What's still left?
bugs.
Bugs? You got bugs on there?
And I'm here.
Oh.
You still gotta clean something. One of the car's missing. Hey, wait. Wait, Daddy. I gotta go in here and see what's happening.
Okay.
Martini. My car is key. Now, wait, put that up. And put it in here.
There you go.
Thank you.
You still cleaning?
Yes. I still have cleaned this. Wait,
I'll wait.
it's right here. Hey, clean my car too, Daddy.
Well, you're almost done.
Okay, and then you clean him?
Yeah, something like that.
And his, what's the car's missing?
What is it missing?
I don't know. This.
There you go. I think you got that part too.
No, not yet.
Not yet?
If this sucks. I gotta clean your car. I gotta clean you. Now your turn, Daddy. Now your turn to clean that car.
Well, don't you think it's clean enough?
No, not yet. He's still missing his driver. He did. No,
Well, why didn't you do the steering wheel since it's at your height anyway?
So I hit drive. It's almost clean.
It's almost clean.
Okay, Daddy. Not yet, Daddy.
Not yet? Okay.
He needs to clean something. And now the big car's being cleaned.
You gonna clean the big car?
A big car have cleaned away.
It is? It doesn't look
Now
like
the
it.
little car.
Oh, okay.
So help me clean the little car.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while.
Say, you can do a little car
You can do it, little car.
in his wheels.
Oh, don't do that.
I said he loves.
It's very dirty.
As soon as he loves you that. It's very dirty, so I clean.
Yeah, we have to take it to a car cleaner. It's too big for us to clean.
Okay. Maybe the door?
You can do the door.
Okay. And 2 doors?
Yes.
Here you go. Mommy, I cleaned the little car.
No.
be
She
clean.
does. He needs to get washed.
Yes. This is my side. And this is Mommy's side. Here you go. Now this side. And what else?
Wow, you did such a good job.
The big cars and my little cars missing something.
What's it missing?
This is
I think you got it.
no, not yet.
Not yet.
We haven't cleaned it. This back. Here's the big car. And the little car needs to be cleaned. This is center. And the big car needs to get this washed too. His doors is so high.
They are.
Let me reach them.
Can you reach them?
I can.
Well, you keep cleaning cars and I'm going to raise your allowance.
I can still reach.
Well, I guess it's got to stay dirty.
No, it doesn't.
Lillian?
I see to get clean. It'll too.
Well, it just might be too big. There you go. You can do that.
And now your turn to clean the big car. He loves clean.
Yeah, that's right.